Welcome to Chemistry Online. See, in previous class we discussed about equilibrium constant. So you have to know here equilibrium constant at concentration, equilibrium constant at pressure. Okay. So here equilibrium constant Kc. Okay. So what is equilibrium constant means already we discussed yesterday. It is the ratio of product of concentration of products, product of concentration of products, concentration of products and the product of concentration of reactants. Okay, concentration of reactants. See here, it is the ratio of product of concentration of products and the product of concentration of reactants in equilibrium reaction. In equilibrium chemical reaction. In equilibrium chemical reaction. Okay. For example, small a, capital A, small b, capital B gives rise to small c, capital C, small d, capital D. It is a reaction which is at equilibrium. For this reaction we are going to write equilibrium constant at concentration. So Kc equal to product of concentration of the products, means these are products and these are reactants. Okay, then Kc equal to capital C concentration C, capital D concentration D, capital A concentration A, capital B concentration B is called Kc. Next, Kp equal to P capital C small c into P capital D small d by P capital A small a into P capital B small b. So here Kc equal to equilibrium constant at concentration, equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. So Kp equal to equilibrium constant in terms of pressure, in terms of pressure. Okay, now you have to know the relation between Kp and Kc. I will discuss here a relation between Kp and Kc. Okay, Kp equal to Kc into RT to the power of delta n. This is the relation between these two. So you know Kp and Kc. R equal to gas constant, T equal to temperature, T equal to temperature, delta n equal to number of moles of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactants. Okay, so this is a delta n, number of moles of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactants. Okay, see case 1. Case 1, if delta n equal to 0, then Kp equal to Kc. Okay, for example, H2 gas plus I2 gives rise to 2Hi gas. So here delta n equal to number of moles of gaseous products 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Then Kp equal to Kc into RT to the power of delta n. Okay, then Kp equal to Kc into RT to the power of 0. Then what happened? Kp equal to Kc. Understand? So this is case 1, example 1. So example 2. CO gas plus H2O gas gives rise to CO2 plus H2. It is example 2. Here also delta n equal to 0, delta n equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, so 0. Then Kp equal to Kc. Okay, if delta n equal to 0, then Kp equal to Kc. These two are examples for Kp equal to Kc reactions. Okay, then case 2. Delta n is less than 0, then Kp is less than Kc. Okay, example Example, okay, N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives rise to 2NH3 gas. Okay, then delta N equal to 2 minus 1 plus 3. It is equal to minus 2. Then what happened? Delta N is less than 0. Then Kp is less than Kc. One more example. Two SO2 gas plus O2 gas gives rise to, okay, 2SO3 gas. Delta N equal to 2 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So Kp is less than Kc. Here also Kp is less than Kc. Okay, it is case 2. If delta N, if delta N less than 0, then Kp is less than Kc. And Kp is less than Kc. Then case number 3. If delta N greater than 0, then Kp is greater than Kc. Kp is greater than Kc. Example 1, 2NH3 gas gives rise to N2 gas plus 3H2 gas. Okay, here delta N equal to 1 plus 3 minus 2, so is equal to plus 2. Then Kp is greater than Kc. Okay, then example 2. Example 2. Two SO3 gas gives rise to 2SO2 gas plus O2 gas. 2s, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. Then here delta N equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 equal to plus 1. So Kp is greater than Kc. It is a case 1, case 2 and case 3. So this is very important. Now and then you are going to face this for 2 marks. Write the equilibrium reactions Kp equal to Kc with 2 examples. Write 2 examples of equilibrium reactions with Kp equal to Kc. Okay, like that you may going to face. Next, derive relation between Kp and Kc. See, we have to derive the relation between Kp and Kc when equilibrium reactions is given to us. Okay. So this is also very important for 4 marks. So derive the relation between Kp and Kc for equilibrium reaction. So this is very important. derive the relation between Kp and Kc for equilibrium chemical reaction N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives rise to 2NH3 gas. Okay, this is for this reaction we have to derive relation. Okay, then see solution. Kc equal to N2 concentration, Kc equal to, products we have to write first. So Kc equal to NH3 square, this square bracket indicates concentration, NH3 concentration square by N2 concentration into H2 concentration cube, H2 concentration cube, comma Kp equal to, it is equation number 1, Kp equal to P NH3 square by Pn2 into P H2 cube. Okay, from ideal gas equation, see here, PV equal to nRT. So P equal to N by V RT. So N by V equal to concentration. N by V equal to concentration. So P equal to CRT. C equal to concentration, which is equal to square bracket. It is a square bracket. Square bracket. Okay, so Kc Kp values, so I am substituting this. P is nothing but Kp, C is nothing but a concentration RT. So here Kp equal to, then C concentration means NH3 concentration square RT square by N2 concentration RT. Okay, next H2 concentration cube into RT cube. Okay, then it is NH3 concentration square by N2 concentration into H2 concentration cube. So this is RT square by RT to the power of 4. So this is equal to NH3 square concentration by N2 concentration H2 concentration cube RT to the power of -2. So this going up means RT to the power of -2. Then it is a Kp. It is equation number 3. Equation 1, substitute in equation 3, equation 3, then Kp equal to Kc into RT to the power of minus 2. So delta n equal to minus 2, then Kp is less than Kc. This is a derivation. Understand? Derive means you have to write all this. Write the relation means you may write this is enough for 2 marks. All this for 4 marks. It is for 4 marks. Derive the relation between Kp and Kc means you have to write all this. Understand? Otherwise, write the relation between Kp and Kc for their equilibrium reaction means you have to write only this. So in the place of Kc I am writing, Kc means this one. So in the place of Kc I am writing, then it will be modified like this. So this is Kp and this is a relation between Kp and Kc. It is a less than. Okay. So here it is a time to leave. So here it is nothing but Kp is less than Kc. So this is derive the relation between Kp and Kc. So Kp is nothing but equilibrium constant in terms of pressure. So Kc is nothing but equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. This is for gaseous reactions only. This is for gaseous reactions only. Okay. So here once again I am explaining this. Derive the relation between Kp and Kc for the equilibrium reaction. N2 gas plus 3H2 gas to NH3. It is a reaction, it is given in equilibrium state. So Kc equal to, what is Kc? The ratio of concentration, the ratio of products of concentration of products and the concentration of products of concentration of reactants. So it is a product of concentration of products by the product of concentration of reactants is called Kc. In the same way Kp. So it is a concentration, equilibrium constant for concentration. It is a equilibrium constant for pressure. Okay. From ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT we know. So N by V equal to number of moles present in 1 liter of the solution is called concentration, molarity, normality, like that. So here we are writing N by V. So N by V in the place of N by V equal to concentration. Concentration can be measured in terms of molarity, normality, molality, like that. See here, C is nothing but concentration, which may indicates by square brackets. So square brackets. Next Kp equal to, so I am writing like this, P equal to Kp CRT. So this equation I am writing in this form. So Kp equal to PRT CRT, the products are reactants, then separated, RT is separated, then RT power minus 4 means this is RT power minus 2. So in the place of this I am writing Kc. So Kp equal to Kc into RT to the power minus 2. So delta n is equal to minus 2. Already we discussed 3 cases. Case 1 delta n equal to 0. Case 1 delta n is less than 1. Case 3 delta n greater than. So here delta n is minus 2 means less than. So Kp is less than Kc. Kp is less than Kc. So you may face this question 2 marks and 4 marks. Derive means you have to write all this. This is for 4 marks. or write the relation means you have to write only this relation. Okay, so this is briefly Kp, Kc or T delta En. Okay, it's a time to leave.